Greetings, families, and welcome to DSST Elevate Northeast High School. I am Trevonda Favorite, founding school director of DSST Elevate. I'm originally from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I was the founding dean at our DSST Knoll campus before moving to Elevate. DSST Public Schools' mission and vision states that DSST Public Schools transforms urban public education by eliminating educational inequity and preparing all students for success in college in the 21st century. Here at DSST, we have 6 core values: respect, responsibility, courage, curiosity, integrity, and doing your best. Here at Elevate, we are all about school pride. The way that we do that is by allowing our students to explore new opportunities and experiences that will shape their futures, building a legacy for years to come, and being the best versions of themselves for the good of the larger community. We also do this by engaging with our families, engaging with our students through morning meeting, advisory time, and spirit weeks. Our goal is to continue the proud DSST tradition of preparing all students for college with a proven model that works. We also elevate our academics. We do this through project-based learning, including arts, entrepreneurship, creative engineering, physical education, and other PBL learnings throughout high school. Each one of our students is equipped with one-to-one laptops. That means every student has a laptop that is their responsibility here at school as well as home to make sure that they are using technology in their everyday learning. On your screen, you will see an idea of what our students will take across 9th through 12th grade. Right now, there's only 9th through 10th grade, and so you'll see those courses listed on your screen. An example of our schedule is also on your screen, with our normal hours being between 8 and 3:20, and if students have interventions or clubs after school, we have a second dismissal at 4:20. Every Wednesday is early dismissal with school ending at 1:30, and transportation is provided at all of these times. We also elevate our student experience, and I know I've done a lot of talking at this point, so I'm going to have one of our students talk about what her student experience is like here at Elevate.
My experience at Elevate is honestly super good, and I have honestly had the best time so far. And it has only been 1 month so far, but I think it has been amazing being a part of the community with my family, with the students, and yeah, that's basically my experience. Um, I think about Elevate like as a whole community. I think of it as a family, especially since it is such a small community at first, because for now it is just our family students, and I think that it is such a close like little family, and we all get along, and we have the most fun together.
Cool. Thank you, Valeria. Valeria is a part of our founding class here at Elevate, but was also a founding student at our Knoll Middle School campus. So super excited about her presence here at school. We have sports and clubs. So we are building our sports program as we continue to grow our school. So we'll have boys and girls soccer, boys and girls basketball, as well as volleyball. And also, if there's a sport that DSST or Elevate does not offer, students are welcome to play at their neighborhood school, which is the Montbello Warriors, but still attend our campus for academics. We have also started some of our clubs to kick off this first year, which include Student Council, La Raza, Japanese Language, Coding Club, just to name a few. And as you see at the bottom, we're also loading. So our clubs are based on student interest, and as we continue to build out, your future students will have voice in what those clubs are. I know that sounds like a lot, and we have a lot of our students that feed in from our middle school, but to get our new students oriented, we have what's called New Student Academy that is held in mid-June, and that is for all new to DSST and upcoming 9th graders, as well as 10th graders, because we'll be adding 10th grade next year. So we're super excited to get you caught up with everything that our middle school students may know, and you will just fit right in when you come in. So there is some support that we offer and that we ask of you all as parents. We have academic support through progress support, so you are able to monitor your students' progress throughout the year and throughout the weeks. We have what's called IC, or Infinite Campus, where you have 24/7 access to your students' grades as a parent, and our students have access as well. We have core value awards and grades at the end of every trimester, as well as weekly and trimester awards. And if you're a parent and you want to be involved, we have our STP, our Science and Tech Parent Group, where you all are able to organize fun events, have voice in our schools, and just be a part of your student experience across the years. Building updates. We are super excited. We had our ribbon cutting ceremony back in August, so we are in our building. Our building is growing. It is beautiful. So excited for everyone to see it. Here is a rendering of what it will possibly look like as we continue with phase 2. So there's been 2 phases. Phase 1 is complete. Phase 2 will include things such as our gym, our field, our full cafeteria, and all of that will be ready for you all in August 22. Some of our exterior features include a CHASA-regulated soccer field, some hangout areas for students at lunch, tons of parking for staff and families when you come to the building, and then future parking for our students once they begin to drive. Some of our interior designs include some industrial elements, some breakout spaces on our high school side, a full cafeteria, again, some art labs, maker space, college success office, which is super important to our students as they prepare to go to college in a few years, and then tons of security and building safety as well. So the next steps, how do you apply? How do you get in? This sounds amazing, right? So we are part of the school choice application process, which is the same process that DPS uses for their district schools. There's no testing, there's no qualifications to apply. You fill out that application. The first round is in early 2022, so around January, you'll start to get notifications about applying. And then if you have any other questions, feel free to email us. The email address is on your screen, our phone number, or follow us on social media. We have a huge social media presence, so if you want to know what we're up to even before you join our school, feel free to add us on Facebook and Instagram. There's tons of updates, tons of kid pictures, teacher pictures, family pictures. We like to let everyone know what we're up to over here at Elevate. So we thank you. We'll see you later.